Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to report any account you want on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, uh, choose any shot you want and hold on it like this. And here you will find manage friendship, click on it. And here as you see you will find report. Just click like this and select any options here and it will be reported. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.